was she? She was in the woods with Frank Washburn. I ran onto them. They were having quite a time. What maxim is being violated by this passage of Hemingway's Ten Indians? Maxims of quantity, quality, relevance, or manner? Okay, very well. Quantity, maxim talaga. So, sabi nga natin kanina, sa maximum quantity, provide just enough information. So if someone asked, how was your day? Instead of saying it was fine, you might respond, it was fine, but I had a meeting in the morning and got caught in traffic on the way home. Sa maximum quality naman, be truthful and provide evidence. Example, if asked about your weekend plans, you wouldn't say, I'm going scuba diving if you're not actually planning to do so. So quality here, hinahanap natin yung authenticity ng response mo. For the maximum relevance naman, of course, we have to stick to the conversation. So during a discussion about a favorite food, if someone suddenly talks about the weather without any connection, they would be violating the maxim of relevance. Kasi dapat related lang yung pinag-uusapan ninyo. And of course, for maximum manner, you have to be clear and of course, you have to be not ambiguous or avoid ambiguity. Yung marami pa siyang pwedeng i-interpret sa sinasabi mo.